Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll see how we can fix unhandled exception has occurred in your application error on Windows. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the first solution is to replace your antivirus. So head over to control panel and then click uninstall program. Now when the list of installed applications opens, simply locate your antivirus that you are using and uninstall it. So once your installation process completes, make sure that you install a better antivirus and see if the issue still persists or not. So the solution number 2 is to perform a clean boot. So hit Windows key along with that to open up the run dialog and then type in msconfig and then hit enter. Now under the general tab in the same window, select selective startup option and then click to clear the load startup items checkbox to make sure that it's not checked. Then move on to the services tab and then click on hide all Microsoft services checkbox and then click disable all. Then on the startup tab, click on open task manager. Now here click on each startup item which is enabled and then select disable. Now after disabling each item we have to restart the PC and see if the issue still persists or not, and then continue the same process until we find out which application is causing the issue. So once you locate the problematic startup service, you can then undertake action in order to resolve the problem. So in case it's a program, you can reinstall it or repair it, or you can disable it if it's a service. Now the next solution is to install the latest version of .NET framework and then repair it. So hit Windows key along with that to open up the run dialog and then type in control.exe. Then click on uninstall the program option and then click turn Windows features on or off. So now here make sure that you locate .NET framework 4.x.x entry and then make sure to enable it. Once done, simply reboot your computer and see if the issue still persists or not. So the next solution is to use SFC scan for memory leak. So hit Windows key along with that to open up the run dialog and then type in CMD to open up the command prompt and then click Control Shift and Enter key to open it up through admin command prompt. So once the command prompt is open, type in SFC space /scan now and then hit enter. Once done, simply restart your computer and see if the issue still persists or not.